All right, we're going to try something different on a Tuesday. So this was a question from last week on substitution bias, or solving a system of equations with substitution. And the first thing that I want you to focus on is the fact that I have a variable that is already isolated. What is that variable that's isolated? That's right, it's x. And you know it's isolated because it's all by itself. So when you see a variable that's isolated and all by itself, what you can do is you can circle the thing that it's equal to, and you can place it in one of the other locations inside of your system. So where is this one going to go? Well, it's going to go in the place of x, but it's going to go in the place of x in the other equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this circled thing and put it into the other equation in the x spot, because that's what it equals, right? If you need highlighting to see it, I'm making sure those variables match up. So here we go. Instead of 2x plus 4y equals 12, that's my first equation, right? I'm just rewriting it. I'm going to get 3y plus 1s plus 4y equals 12. Now we'll do a little distributing. 2 times 3y is 6y. 2 and 4y. And what I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and solve this for y. And hopefully you got the same answer that I did, y equals 1. Now, are we done? No, we're definitely not done. We're only halfway. So what we need to do now is the second part of this problem. We're going to take this answer, switching colors. We're going to take this answer, y equals 1, or more precisely just the 1, and we're going to put it back into the original system. Well, where can you put it? I'm going to give you 4 choices. You pick the one or more than one option that would work. And there are 2 options that you could have chosen. You could choose this spot right here, because that y is the same as y, or you could have chosen this spot right here, because that y is the same as the y. As long as you put it in a y spot, things are going to be fine. I tend to put it in whichever one's easiest, so I'm going to go ahead and put it into the one on the bottom. X is 3y plus 1, so I'm going to put my 1 in the y spot. So I get x is 3 times 1 plus 1, and go ahead and get the answer. That's right. X is 4. And then once again, we're not done yet. We're going to actually create an answer like this. And that answer is 4 and 1. That is how you solve a system with substitution bias.